Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Maths Chapter 9 Decimal.
A decimal is a number whose whole part and fractional part is separated by a decimal point.
For example, see here 34.7. 3 is in tens place, 4 in ones place. Point means that is called decimal point. 7 in tenths place. Decimal place value 2.456. Decimal fractions are special fractions with denominator 10, 100, 1000. 2 is in units. 4 is in tenths, means 4 by 10. 5 in hundreds place. 5 by 100. 6 is in thousand. 6 by 1000. Decimals are fractions or number expressed in decimal form. The place value of a whole number, thousands, hundred, tens and ones. Before decimal point, that is whole number, that is two, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. But as we move on to the right of the ones place, we have the decimal places. That is 4, 5, 6 are called decimal places. Decimals. Decimal place value chart. 1 is in 10 lakhs place, 0 is 1 lakh place, 3 is in 10,000 place, 5 is in 1,000 place, 4 is in 100 place, 2 is in tens place, 1 is in ones place. Here we are keeping as decimal point. After decimal point, it will not start with ones. Directly it will start with tenths decimal part. Okay. 3 is in tenths place. 5 is in hundredth place. 6 is in thousandth place. 10 lakhs 35,421 point we are keeping as decimal point. 356. Decimal fraction with denominator 10 are called tens. These decimals have one decimal place. For example, see here 5 by 10. It is 5 tenths. We can write it as 0.5. Put the decimal point after the one decimal place. That is 5. Next, 7 by 10. 7 tenths. That is 0.7. We call it as zero point 0.7. These decimals have one decimal place. Decimal fraction with denominator 100 are called hundreds. For example, 2 by 100. 200. It is in hundreds place. So, we'll call it as 200. Put the decimal point after two decimal places. See here, 2 already is there. Before 2, we have to add 0. 2 decimal places before we have to keep point. That is called 0.02. These decimals have two decimal places. 72 by 100. 72 100. Here also see 0. Two zeros are there. 72. Two decimal places. 72 before we have to keep point. These decimals have two decimal places. Decimal fractions with denominator 1000 are called thousands. For example, 3 by 1000. We'll call it as 3,000. So see here, we are having 3 zeros in denominator. Already 3 is there. Before we have to keep 2 zeros because it is in thousand. Tens, hundreds, thousands. So put the decimal point after 3 decimal places. 56 by 1000. 56,000. Now 0.056. Put the decimal point after 3 decimal places. Mixed fraction with denominator 10, 100 or 1000. We'll have a whole number. 2 1 by 10. It is in mixed fraction. Now we are changing into whole number. That is 2 is whole number plus 1 by 10. We call it as 0.1. That is 2. We have to add 2 plus 0.1. That is 2.1. 13. 2 by 1000. It is in mixed fraction. In this 13 is whole number plus 0.002. Changing fraction into decimals. 13 plus 0.02 equal to 13.002. Denominator 10 means 1 decimal place. If we have denominator 100, it has 2 decimal places. If we have denominator 1000, it will have 3 decimal places. Like and unlike decimals. Like decimals. For example, 4028.32. Next, 25.03. It has 2 digits. It has 2 digits. In like decimals, decimal places are same. Unlike decimals, for example, 782.46. Here we are having 2 digits after the decimal point. Here 482.638. Here we are having, after the decimal point, we are having 3 digits. Here we are having 2 digits and in second we are having 3 digits. The digits are different. So this is unlike decimals. Write the expanded form. For example, 48.31. 48. Now we are changing into expanded form. 4 into 10. 4 times 40. Plus we are adding 8. Total 48. Plus after decimal what will it will comes in ones place? No. It is in tenths place. 3 by 10. Next place 1 by 100. This is expanded form. Write the decimals. For example, 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 plus 5 by 100. 1 into 1000, 1000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 3. Here 5 by 100. Change into decimal 0.05. 1203.05. Write the whole number and decimal part in the given decimals. For example, CM 25.852. In this, whole number is 25. It is called as whole number. After the decimal point, we'll call it as decimal part. That is 852 is called as decimal part. Write the place value of the underlined digit. 375.013. Here 7 is underlined. 375 is in whole part. In a whole part, it will start with ones, tens, 100. 7 is in tens place. So, 7 tens. We call it as 7 tens. Next, 2.005. 5 is underlined. Here see, after the decimal, it starts with tens. Next, 100th place. 5 is in 1000th place. So, now 5 is in 5000th place. It is in decimal part. Changing fractions to decimals. Method 2. By dividing, this method can be used for any fraction to change into a decimal. For example, 33 by 6. 33 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. Now see, step 1. Write the dividend as a decimal number up to 3 decimal places. That is 33 equal to 33.30 followed by 3 zeros. See here, 6 5 ja 30. Nearest number 6 5 ja 30. 33 minus 30, difference is 3. Now 6 5 ja 30. Step 3. Before bringing down the digit in the 10th place, put a decimal point in the quotient. So, after that, bring 0 down. 6 5 ja 30. 30 minus 30, 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 5.5. Continue. Step 4. Continue division till the third decimal place is brought down or stop when the remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, stop the division. Otherwise, continue the division till the third decimal places. Change the fractions to decimals. For example, see here 3 by 10. That is, put the decimal point after the one decimal place. That is 0.3. Next, 2 by 1000. Put the decimal point after the 3 decimal places. We are having 3 decimal places, that is 002. Change the given fractions to decimals. For example, 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. 5 is in the denominator place. To change the given fraction to decimals, we should have either 10, 100, 1000 in the denominator place. So, 5 can be multiplied with 2 to change to 10. Same number multiplied the numerator also. That is 3 into 2 by 5 into 2. 3 2 ja 6. by 5 to the 10. Now it is in fractions. Now change into decimals. 6 by 10 equal to 0.6. Put the decimal point after one decimal place, that is 0.6. Change the given fractions to decimal. Work up to 3 decimal places. For example, 7 by 2. 2 divisor. 7 is dividend. Put point followed by 3 decimal places. Now 2 3 are 6. 7 minus 6, difference is 1. After 7 we are having decimal point. In quotient we have to keep decimal point. 0 down. Now it is in 1 0 10. 2 5 are 10. 10 minus 10, difference is 0. That is remainder is 0. Quotient is 3.5. Changing decimals to fractions. Here see steps. Step 1. Look at the number of decimal places. There is number of digits after the decimal point. Next, write the number without the point as the numerator. Step 3. Denominator will be 10, 100, 1000. Depending on the number of decimal places. If one decimal place, then denominator 10. For example, 3.5. That is, we are having one decimal place. In denominator, we'll get 10. Because we are having one decimal place, so the denominator is 10. 35 by 10. Now we are changing into mixed fraction. 10 3 ja 30. 30 plus 5. 35 by 10. Next, if two decimal places, then denominator 100. See here, 14.72 equal to 1472 by 100. Two decimal places we are having. So the denominator is 100. Now we are changing into mixed fraction. 1472 by 100. 100 into 14. That is 1400 plus 72. 1472 by 100. Change the following decimals into fractions or mixed numbers in the simplest form. Using decimals in metric measures and money. Decimals are usually used in expressing metric measures and money. Measures of weight. For example, see 2 kg 354 grams equal to 2 kg plus 354 gram. Now see 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 we are changing into decimals. 0.001 kg. Now let's see 354 in grams. So equal to 354 into 1 gram is equal to how much? 1 by 1000 kg equal to 354 into 1 means 354 by 1000. Now we are changing into decimals. 0.354 kg. See here 2 kg plus 354 by 1000 kg. We are changing grams to kg. So kg same. Now 2 place 0 point, we are changing into decimals. 2 place 0.354 kg. Now 2 place 0.354. We have to add. See here 0.354. 2 is in whole place. Point. We don't have any numbers. So put zeros. 4, 5, 3.2 is in whole place. Now see 2.354 kgs. Measure of length. For example, in length 5 kilometers 372 meters. 372 is in meters. Now changing into kilometers. So see here 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Now 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. It is changing into decimals. 0.001 kilometer. See 372 equal to 372 into 1 meter is equal to how much? 1 by 1000 kilometers. Now see 372 into 1. 372 by 1000 kilometers. It is changing into decimals. 0.372 kilometers. Put the decimal point after the 3 decimal places. Now see 5 kilometers plus 372 by 1000 kilometer. Is changed to kilometers. 5 kilometers plus 0.372 kilometers. Is changed to kilometers. Now see kilometer common. We have to add 5 plus 0.372. Bracket close, kilometer. Now we have to add. See 0.372 plus 5 point. We don't have any number. It is in 5 is in whole part. Fractional part, put zeros. 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 0, 3. Point. 0 plus 5, 5. Total 5.372 kilometers. Measure of volume. 3 liters, 45 milliliters. Now we are changing milliliters into liters. See here 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liters. See here we are having 45 milliliter. 45 milliliter equal to 45 into 1 milliliter is equal to how much? 1 by 1000 liters is equal to 45 into 1. 45 by 1000 liters. It is changing into decimals. 0.045 liters. Now see here 3 liters plus 45 by 1000 liters. 3 liters plus 0.045 liters. Changing into decimals. Now see 0.045 plus 3.000. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 0, 4. 0, 0. Point. 0 plus 3, 3. 3.045 liters. See in money 75 rupees and 50 paisa. Here rupees are there, here paisa is there. Now 100 paisa is equal to rupees 1. 1 paisa is equal 1 by 100 rupees. In question we are having 50 paisa. So 50 paisa equal to 50 into 1 by 100 rupees. 50 into 1, 50 by 100. We are changing into decimals. 0.50 rupees. Now see 75 rupees place 50 by 100 rupees. Rupees common 75 place change into decimals 0.50. 75 place 0.50. 75.50 rupees. Solve the following exercises. See you in the next class.